Now, we have seen many causes across these nine types of problems. But if we club various types of clauses into responsibility factors, so सबसे पहला आएगा there is are problems happening because of wrong choices in this life. So lack of mindfulness, like lack of mindfulness is everything that we do, whom we associate with, what we eat, what we act on, misuse of free will. So all these wrong choices in this life will lead to various types of problems, जो हमने part of this nine that we have considered. Of course, past and present karma, product. This is causing another category of problems, which are various, covered in the nine that we did. The conditioning where the three gunas वो हर एक का सॉफ्टवेयर पहले ही गड़बड़ करके from our past births, someone is more rajasic, someone is more tamasic. The sattvic aspect of it is lacking in us. So all of this is leading to some kind of a behavior pattern that we are unconsciously driven into. That is causing huge problems. The other set of problems is the imbalance of mind, intellect, ego. Body सबसे नीचे important मानना चाहिए, उसके बाद mind, उसके बाद intellect, उसके बाद soul और mind, intelligence, ego का एक balance होना चाहिए. अगर नहीं है तो it's causing a lot of problems. Of course, lack of spirituality, disconnect from God is causing another set of problems. So basically पांच responsibility factors में हमारा most of our problems is covered. So my main aspect was if we are able to find out a way in which these five factors we are able to somehow master, so we will be able to find a solution to all our types of problems and seek the goal of happiness that we all are wanting. So this is more or less repetitive, but just to be on track. So the first responsibility factor of wrong choices in life, उसमें financial mistakes हो सकता है, relationship का problem हो सकता है, health का issue हो सकता है, lifestyle में so many issues can happen if you are making wrong choices. Emotional instability हो सकता है, career में setback हो सकता है. All of that is wrong choices in life. कर्मा वाला प्रारब्ध के इश्यूज, रिपीटेड पैटर्न्स हैं, सफरिंग अनएक्सप्लेन्ड है, सडन ऑब्स्टिकल्स आता है, डिफिकल्ट रिलेशनशिप्स, हेल्थ चैलेंजेस, डेस्टिनी ड्रिवन इवेंट्स. तो दिस कैन हैपन. Many of us, when we are faced with this kind of unexplained patterns of sufferings, sudden obstacles in life, we go to some pandit, कोई ताबीज देता है, कुछ some mambo jumbo, they say it is all to give us there is some goodness in it, because they give us some kind of a hope. But the blind faith in these human gurus is making us even further weak and causing us even further problems. So this is not a solution for this kind of product related problems. We will discuss soon what is the way in which we can do all of these problems, do away with them. The conditioning of the three gunas, so Rajas will make us more stressful, गुस्सा ज़्यादा आएगा, restlessness, tamas will make us lazy, confusion में रहेंगे, depressive रहेंगे, और लो सत्वा रहेगा तो poor decision making होगी, lack of clarity होगी. So ये सब पिछले से ही चला आ रहा है, और some people are so conditioned by the gunas that they are completely robots by the bug in the software that they are born with. So mind, intellect, ego का imbalance है, overthinking. Many of us overthink. Many of the problems that we are thinking that we are going to have in future never ever happen. They spoil the present thinking of what has happened in the past and what is going to happen in the future. और present जो उनके हाथ में है, they ruin that. So this will lead to emotional problems, expectation-based suffering, anxiety crisis, ego clashes, all of that. Of कोर्स लैक ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी में तो पूरा ही इनर एम्प्टीनेस, फियर, इनसिक्योरिटी, कोई लाइफ का पर्पस नहीं है, वीक है, रेजिलियंट नहीं है, धर्म को नहीं जानते हैं. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस मेजर इश्यूज विल कम. सो depending on various types of problems, we have identified 5 responsibility factors in it and seen what is the effect that they have on us. Different people will do differently under the circumstances that they are having these problems. So let's try to see अलग अलग रिस्पॉन्स क्या हो सकता है. एक तो कंपेरर हो सकता है, तो वो अपना प्रॉब्लम जब आता है तो इट स्टार्ट्स कंपेयरिंग हिज सफरिंग विद द अदर्स, कि भी मुझे इतना प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, देखो वो आराम से हैं. तो उसका जो इनर स्टेट है वो एनवी का है, इन्फिनिटी का है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन का है, और उसका राजस जो जो गुना है वो एकदम डोमिनेट कर रहा है. उसका माइंड जो है outwardly focused, not inwardly focused. So this is the comparer. So one type of response we can think of. हम लोग जब भी ऐसा एनालिसिस देखते हैं तो भी ब्रैकेट के हाँ कंपेरर, हाँ वो बंदा, वो फ्रेंड, वो रिलेटिव, ये कंपेरर है. ये नहीं सोचते कि हम लोग कौन से स्लॉट में हैं. सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स कुड बी द कंप्लेनर. ये तो कॉन्स्टेंटली कंप्लेन करता है. ये हर एक प्रॉब्लम में उसका कंप्लेनिंग रहता है. दैट बिकम्स हिज हैबिट, दैट बिकम्स हिज डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म. तो इनर स्टेट इज हेल्पलेसनेस. इरिटेशन है तो कुछ इरिटेशन दिखाता है अपने वर्ड्स में, अपने एक्शंस में. और जो गुना में सात्विक गुणों का अभाव है, रेजिस्टेंस टू कर्मा, तो he is not able to understand that something that is happening to him is bound to happen, and rather than complain, there are better ways of handling the situation. There's another guy who is a criticizer. So he is one stage ahead of the comparer and the complainer. So he is now blaming the other. So उसका जो problem है उसके लिए responsible वो नहीं है, someone else is there. Society है, God है. Many of people have genuine problems. They have lost a loved one, they have lost a sibling, but they are criticizing God for it. So we will discuss that it is the worst thing that they could do. Inner state is anger, ego. They are mostly driven by ego and self projection. अहंकार इतना है कि इंट्रोस्पेक्शन को ब्लॉक करके रखा हुआ है. There's another type of response which is the lamenter. वो तो वही मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों होता है, वो मैं खाली दुखी आत्मा है, तो सेल्फ पिटी और सौरव में घूमेगा. जब वो प्रॉब्लम आएंगी तो उसका तमस बहुत डोमिनेट कर रहा है, एंड इज फॉरगेटिंग दैट उसके पास इतना इनर स्ट्रेंथ है कि वो सारे प्रॉब्लम्स को खुद ही अपने इनर स्ट्रेंथ से, इफ ही कैन टैप दैट, ही इज एबल टू ओवरकम दैट, बट ही इज नॉट डूइंग दैट, ही इज लैमेंटिंग. अनदर टाइप ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स इज द एस्केपिस्ट. वो पतली गली से निकलने वाला है, अवॉइड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, डिस्ट्रैक्ट करता है. इनर स्टेट में फियर है, डिनायल है, और उसका जो माइंड है वो उसका इंटेलेक्ट को ओवर पावर करेगा. अनदर हो द डाउटर. तो हर एक चीज में डाउट करता है, तो जो सिचुएशन इतनी खराब भी नहीं है वो और उसको खराब बनाता है. तो लूजेस फेथ इन गॉड, डेस्टिनी, धर्म, कन्फ्यूजन उसका इनर स्टेट है. स्पिरिचुअल की ड्राइनेस है, और भक्ति बड़ी सेल्फिश है. अगर भगवान में भक्ति रखता था और कुछ गड़बड़ आई है तो वो डिस्कनेक्ट होता है डिवाइन से, which is the worst way that you can do bhakti. But this guy is that kind of response. Of course, there's an overthinker. Many of us we know people who are creating imaginary worst case scenarios. So they're always living in a world which is of problems created by their imagination. So this is an overthinker. Inner state में एंजाइटी है, मेंटल एग्जॉशन है, तो ऑफ कोर्स माइंड अनकंट्रोल्ड है. ध्यान का lack of meditation, lack of concentration. There's another guy who is a fighter. fighter, not in a good sense. He's a reactive. Now, the action and the reaction are there is a cycle. So when there's something, a problem which has happened, he is trying to counter it by reacting it in a manner which is aggressive, which is impulsive. So this is a type of behavior and lead in a state is stress and agitation. उसका राजस इतना strong है कि वो always is outwardly looking, and he is without understanding the actual reason why the problem is coming. He is trying to overcome it by physical efforts or by something that he thinks that he can overcome. And there is a resigned fatalist. कोई nothing can change. हमारे साथ तो ऐसा ही होएगा, ये तो होना ही था. Something. I'm not putting this as a positive response, as a negative response of hopelessness, of being pessimistic, very very passive kind of a behavior. It is a misunderstanding between his conditioning of the dimags. So these are the type of responses, and and this is which I am wanting to share with you, is that जो भी type of response ये 9 वाला हम करेंगे, इससे हमारी problem दूर नहीं होने वाली है. This will lead to other problems, and the cycle of the problem will continue, and the goal of happiness that we are wanting to pursue will keep on becoming further and further away from us. This 10th way of solving problem that we will discuss. But सबसे पहले ये तो हमें समझना चाहिए कि ये problems, they are my fault. Let's agree to it that these problems that are coming are my fault. So if we can able to solve them, तो हमें ये तो बोलना पड़ेगा कि हम responsible हैं उनके लिए. Responsibility कैसे है कि हम wrong choices करते हैं, हम ही responsible है in our life. We are not able to follow the principle of detached action, which Lord Krishna told in Gita to Arjun, कर्मण्येवाधिकार, तो वो हम नहीं follow कर पा रहे हैं. Not able to keep body is less than mind, less than intelligence, less than soul, ये वाला जो equation है हमने उल्टा कर दिया. हमारा body सबसे ऊपर है, उसके बाद mind आता है, मतलब ऐसी इस तरह से हमारा सबका equation गड़बड़ हो गया है. So the worst thing that we could do it when problems come, we abandon our faith in God, and we make the most fatal mistake. जब हमको भगवान सबसे जरूरत था तब हमने भगवान को प्रॉब्लम के समय में छोड़ दिया. तो हम अगर छोड़ रहे हैं तो हम ही दोषी हैं. तो problems which are coming, the fault is us. So let us understand this. If we are able to understand it, we are able to tell you there is a 10th way, which is the Gita way, which is giving you the strength of remaining calm, of being equipoised, balanced and steady. There is equanimity that you will learn. There is a clarity, inner strength. You will remain devoted and will be able to do detached karma. You will trust in God and you will surrender. You will have complete control only of your effort, and will not claim any responsibility of either the result or just because the effort that you have done, you deserve that outcome. So you will have faith, you will have peace, you will have courage. Shraddha बहुत strong हो जाएगी. You are connected to divine grace, and you will continue to do prescribed duty without fear. Discipline, focus, resilience, और ये सारा कुछ perfect alignment होगा effort में, surrender में, peace में. With all this, there is in this playlist lot of videos on specific topics of Bhagavad Gita, which I just request you to please go through. I will just touch very briefly on some of them. See, before trying to, let me remind you, our purpose was to how to become happy, and we were not able to become happy because we had problems. And I am telling you is all the different type of problems which is causing, and the effect that we have seen are basically because of responsibility factors that we have identified, and the various responses that we are normally doing to counter these is not going to help us. It is the Gita way that is going to help us. and if you are able to find essence of what I am saying, you have to be basic in acceptance with some of the fundamentals, which is principles of Sanatan Dharma. कोई बोले मैं ये नहीं मानता हूँ, तो भाई I have no solution for them. You have to agree to the concept of soul and body, agree to the concept of Atma, Paramatma. We all are not a human being doing some spiritual journey. Ulta hai. We are all spiritual beings on human journey. So abhi Sanjay Sharda is doing journey as Sanjay Sharda, and then the soul which is inside Sanjay Sharda will go on doing some other journey, and which he or she was doing, hopefully not it. So myth of being spiritual and not religious, ये बहुत फैशन है कि भाई मैं तो स्पिरिचुअल हूँ, रिलीजियस नहीं हूँ, ये सब लेट्स नॉट फूल आवरसेल्व्स. बाकियों को तो बाद में फूल करोगे, अपने को ही फूल कर रहे हो. यू मस्ट हैव रीजनेबल फेथ. ब्लाइंड फेथ नहीं चाहिए जो गुरुजी में और बाकी जो ह्यूमंस में हम ब्लाइंड फेथ कर रहे हैं. रीजनेबल फेथ से अगर आप गीता को अपने लाइफ में लाओगे, कृष्ण को अपने लाइफ के सेंटर में रखोगे, तो ऑल दिस प्रॉब्लम्स विल सीज. बिलीफ इन कार्मिक थ्योरी ऑफ एक्शन एंड रिएक्शन एंड द कंडीशनिंग द थ्री गुणास, इस सब का आप अगर कोई बोले मैं नहीं मानता हूं, तो उसको भगवद गीता, I don't know how it will help. So please, these fundamentals, if you're wanting a deep dive of any of these, you can request me on my personal window. I'm ready to give you a short session on any of these. Even the cycle of birth and rebirth, कैसे जो karma का जो credits है, and the end of a birth is going to give you a higher birth if the credit is positive, and one bad karma or one good karma does not net off each other. So end of the in one birth, ये आपका अगर net positive है, वो positive हर समय रहेगा. Even if the next birth your positive is not there, you will not go down. That foundation will remain, and then you will carry on going further and further, higher births, higher credits, till you reach the divineness of Brahmalok. So please take resource to the Bhagavad Gita. It is the manual of mankind. It is the handbook for humankind. And it will cleanse your mind, purify your soul, free us from sins. So ये सब already गीता में, जैसे आपका रूम का हीटर सर्दी चल रहा है, तो रूम का हीटर खराब हो तो उसके मैनुअल में लिखा रहता है. तो लाइफ में अगर प्रॉब्लम्स हो तो क्या करना है, इस भगवद गीता में everything is there. We just have to patiently, with some enthusiasm, with some determination, with some of course good company, and reasonable faith, we have to just go and of course patience भी चाहिए. तो गीता का वे से अगर हम करेंगे, प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व हो सकता है, और ये हमें वो हैप्पीनेस मिलेगी जो हम सोच रहे हैं कि प्रॉब्लम्स के कारण हमें हैप्पीनेस मिल नहीं पा रही है.